Hey guys, David HD Trucks and Equip, and I've got a really nice little equipment hauler to show you right here. That's a 2016 Freightliner M2 and running the Cummins 6.7 turbocharged motor under the hood, Allison automatic behind that. And it's got everything. It's got all the alloy wheels on it, tires on it are good. Nice little alloy aluminum fuel tank there. Looks like that's a 50-gallon. Yes, sir, it does take depth. It's a 2016, as I said. But, star of the show, this is a 18,000-pound capacity equipment hauler body. Now, you can use that for hauling cars, trucks, boats, whatever you need. It'll all go on there. It's got a nice little light bar up there. It's got work lights on it. It's got a 15,000-pound winch hanging around up there. It's got nice toolboxes on both sides. And, of course, alloy wheels all over the place. 10,000-pound lift on the tail. So right here is where it pivots down. That'll lift up 10,000 pounds all by itself right there, guys. This thing is loaded. This is ready to work like a dog for you. She really is. Hey, you've got a receiver hitch right there, 5,000-pound capacity. So if you need to haul more than just on the bed, you can put a receiver hitch in there, drop receiver hitch, and haul a nice little trailer. Now the backup camera I see has got a bunch of moisture inside there. Don't think that works. When I turn it on, the screen just says it's got no input from the camera. So I think the camera needs to be replaced. Up to you guys. It'll take a look, decide if you want to do that. Tires on it are good. Again, alloy wheels, tie downs all over the place. Another one of them, there are toolboxes. There's one on the other side as well. And no rust. That's the way they're supposed to look, guys. No rust on it. No rust on this truck anywheres. Matter of fact, look at how clean this thing is. There's no dealer magic here, guys. We didn't reupholster. We didn't do any of that kind of stuff. This is just a nice, clean truck. This is the way they're supposed to be. Look at that inside there. You guys up north, this is what they're supposed to look underneath. I know I'm always picking on you. But that's true. Bottom of the doors. Look at that. Such a clean little truck. I think I mentioned already, it's got the 6.7 Cummins under the hood. It's got the nice fancy chrome grille, the chrome bumper on it. It's got strobe lights right there. Super truck. 33,000-pound GVW. And easy to operate on the lift. I'm going to show this to you real quick. So there's just a switch on the dashboard right here. That turns on the PTO. And it's a real complicated thing to operate. Even I can do this. There's a whole three things to move. There's the dovetail section, there's the flip for the back, and there's the winch. Pretty simple stuff, right? So you raise that up. Now you heard that just released. You flip that up like that, and then you put that back down. And when you put that back down, what that's going to do, it forms your ramp for you. Look at there. Now, if you're going to run anything with a set of tracks, if you're going to run a track steer or something up here, this is so cool. You run your equipment up here. Here's the hinge point. I usually run it so the back of whatever I'm putting up is still here, right? I put it right here, especially tracks, because when you set a tight set of tracks, it comes up here and then it crashes down. You don't have to do that, guys. You run it up there, you leave it up there just before she comes down like that, and then you just go right back up front here, and you just do it the other way. You just raise that back up. Now you're level. Now you can run that track piece of equipment in here. You didn't do any of this jumping and hopping, and it's just not safe to do it like that, guys. You raise that back up. You pull your ramp back underneath. You heard it latch. You set it back down. And we're done. Now you guys that are running rollbacks, that's like a 22 or 23 foot deck on there. So if you're going to run a rollback that size, you got to run that rollback all the way back to about where that other truck is. Then you got to have room for whatever you're loading. It's crazy. You got to have like 60 feet. You don't need that with this. The only thing that moved on that was this 4-foot piece right here. So all you're doing is extending that out 4 feet, and you don't need all that room like you used to need before. That's a 15,000-pound winch. And the best thing about it is she's sitting on a Freightliner, guys. So you got air ride suspension and a reclining seat on the driver's side. You got your cruise control built in right here. You step on that right there, and that'll give you your tilt wheel. You just push that down and then put the wheel where you want it, let up on it. The passenger seat is just that. It's just a passenger seat. That does not have air ride, but sun visors are all like brand new, of course. Headliner's good. The sound system on it.
I want to know, how does it hang straight up?
Probably not my favorite type of music, but there you go. Hey, phone ready, Bluetooth. Got the little thing there for you to plug your extra music in. Here's your controls for your lights on back, hood light, all the strobe lights, all that kind of stuff. Everything is functional on that. That works. Everything on there works the way it's supposed to. Turn off the floodlights. Air conditioning controls are there. PTO, turn him off. Shut off the overdrive if you need to for some reason. You got your regen right there, automatic transmission. Oh, looky, that looks to me like that is a Jake brake. Hey, she only got 177 on it for miles. Let me get this so you can see it actually. Let me try to get it over here maybe. It's got 177 for miles and only 7,600 hours on it. This truck is just broken. She's ready to work, guys. She's looking for a good home, and I know you got a good home to give her, so you need to give me a call here, boys. 2016 Freightliner. There's the owner's manuals. There's the triangles down there. Super clean. Look how clean. Look at, even up there. Look at this truck. This truck is a southern truck, guys. It's never seen snow and ice and all that ugly, nasty stuff. So there you got her, kids. 2016 Freightliner M2. It's only got 177,000 miles on it. Easy to go. A lot of work left in that old girl right there. Strobe lights, light bars. Holy mackerel, that thing is good to go. Hey, if you can use that truck, you give me a call. I'm right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. My phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, I greatly appreciate you looking.